Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to convert PS2 controller to USB without adapter. All you need. Before we start, it is known that you cannot do that virtually or directly to the PC, so all you have to do is some tweaking to the controller. So you need a PS2 controller, USB cable, microcontroller, soldering iron, wire cutters, and heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. Just prepare the USB cable, connect the PS2 wires to the microcontroller. Program the controller to work as a PC or USB HID format. All you have to do now is connect the USB cable and then test the connection. Test the buttons and sticks to ensure all inputs are functioning correctly. Now, use heat shrink or tubing or electrical tape to cover and secure soldered connections. Reassemble the PS2 controller housing if disassembled. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.